Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a mix of a little vlog combined with a haul at the end. So I thought I would take you guys along to visit Nepal's first stationery mart, which is KitabKalam. I've seen a lot of haul videos by different creators and I've wanted to go here since it opened, and I finally had the time. So I thought I would take you guys along with me, along with some other places throughout my day. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit different, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. The store is quite far from where I live, but you can easily search for the location on Google Maps and it was quite easy to spot. I thought I would give you a quick walkthrough of the store. So this is what you see when you enter. As soon as you enter, you are surrounded by a variety of stationery supplies, and you can also find a little section for books. I really liked how everything was displayed, and you can definitely find any kind of stationery supplies here. From color pencils, watercolors, acrylic paints, markers, spray paints, everything was available and in a variety as well. The products are also arranged according to specific categories, which is definitely helpful when you are looking around for some things. I also found some pouring acrylic paint that I have wanted to try since ages but never found in Nepal, and now I can finally try them out. I have also always wanted this type of palette because it gives me Bob Ross vibes, but there were more variety of palettes if you prefer something else as well. As for brushes, whether you use watercolor, acrylics, or oil paints, they have you sorted with a variety of brush collections. As for paints, as you can see, they have sets of watercolors, oil colors, as well as acrylics, along with single color tubes, which I personally prefer. You must have noticed by now that they have brands like Montmartre, Stabilo, and Stedler, which are all very good brands. The next section had mostly office supplies that includes notebooks, planners, scissors, desk supplies, anything that you might need in an office, they had it. They also had a section full of canvas boards, which I think I forgot to film, but that's a full walkthrough of the store. My experience here was really pleasant and I just didn't want to leave. I felt a bit awkward at first to film everything, but a friendly staff member said that it was okay and even helped me find things that I was looking for. So overall, I really liked the place and the variety of the products. I wish they had a branch that was closer to where I lived, but I would definitely go back again. After doing some heavy damage to my bank account, we decided to ride around Kathmandu just because we don't normally come here often. So we decided to go through New Road, which wasn't the best idea because it was full of people out and about for their Dasai shopping. So we decided to stop for some BK's fries and completed some other work that we had, after which I spotted a yoyoso store, so I just had to look around. After getting a few things from there, we came back to Patan side and saw that Labim Mall was fully decorated with lights, so we stopped to have a look. It finally felt like Dasai was here, and we ended up having some open momos and sizzler for dinner at Kangri. And that's it for the vlog part of the video. So this is the next day, and here's everything that I got yesterday. I got this organizer from Yoyoso because I've just been loving this sage green color, and I also got this little set of office or desk supplies that has this brown sticky notes and this set of rose gold clips and binders. Next, this is everything I got from KitabKalam. As I mentioned earlier, I had to get this wooden palette because I have wanted it for ages. I also got the Mart Duo markers because my Staedtler ones are drying out, and I got the 24 color pack, and they come with two tips. One's the brush tip and the other one is a fine liner tip. I love the color variety in this pack, and they are also really good quality. So here's a close-up of the swatches. I also got some brushes and the pouring paint that I cannot wait to try. I got the silver foil paint instead of the silver foil leaf because I thought that this would be easier to use than the actual foil. Next, I got some acrylic paint tubes in this pretty rose color, and I also got one in a brown color. I also got some pigment liners from Staedtler. I had to get this metallic watercolor set when I saw it because I love using metallic paint, but I didn't have a set like this, so here are all the swatches. They are all super shiny and fairly pigmented, and this is what the swatches look like when they hit the light. They look so shiny and pretty, definitely worth the price. So that is everything that I got from KitabKalam and yoyoso yesterday. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like if you did, and let me know in the comments if you enjoy this type of videos so that I can make more in the future. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. And happy Dasai! Bye!